Okay, and we're at the Roanoke Career Education Center. C.J. Anderson buttons. Doberman in the 90s, but these are Otis Signal Control originally.
When we get one of the other cars, I'm going to show you something. Go back down to the first one.
Down to one.
So safety is open. It's never has been.
Show Otis label down there.
I can't wait to show you a different Otis logo if we get the right car. Here, going to 8. Use this call button to call over the elevator. We don't need callers.
Okay, so that call.
Those call buttons. This is, I think it's this one. Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh, there we go. Yes, this is what I want to show you.
Oh, that's really cool. And as you can see here, this is a Montgomery.
This is the most original one in the building. Everything is original in these elevators with the exception of the mod, the controller and lugs. So you got your old Otis Signal Control logo up there, original handrails. This is one of the most tasteful modernizations I've ever seen.
I would agree with that. They know what they have. Dover did a nice job.
Now, we have one more elevator to see. Press that wheelchair button. This one has a really tall ceiling.
I can see that. Got a 7.
Now select 1 and 1R. There's like 2 steps between 1 and 1R, so I'm going to get off and go down the steps.
Sounds good. Nice tall ceiling.
They obviously took the handrails out of this one. And we're on blank, by the way. We're on blank right now. I go around and go down 2 steps.
Okay. And we're gonna be fat asses and take the elevator. Three steps.
This is a very tasteful modernization.
I would agree with that. Let's take what we got.
Go to 2 and what?
We'll end on 2.
The lobby of this place is stunning.